Hi my loves, welcome back. I'm your host Manvi and today I'm gonna be sharing my summer skincare must-haves. Summer arrived early this year and it's already so hot. I'm wearing this cute hot pink summer dress. It's been a long time we haven't talked, but honestly this year started on a very low point because my channel got hacked and then me getting it back. Also then I went to Mumbai and Udaipur. I was in middle of a transformation. Things are changing for me and I want to keep you updated with my life. I did not realize, even though I was very disciplined, productive, I was vibrating on a low energy level. So I had to do a lot of energy work and had to shift my energy. Let me know if you guys want like a separate life update video. I can talk about it in details, but we are gonna talk about skincare recommendations today. So let's begin with that. So first is the Klairs unscented supple preparation toner. It doesn't have any essential oil, so it's for all skin types, even the sensitive skin types. So when you freshly come out of your shower, your skin feels cold, hydrated and moist. That's how it feels on the skin. It's made of plant-based extracts like Centella asiatica, which is so soothing on the skin. It has two key ingredients, phyto-oligo and beta-glucan, which keeps your skin plump and hydrated for long hours. I had the mini first, but I liked it so much that I ordered a full-size bottle of this. My skin perks up and looks so radiant after absorbing this toner, and in my opinion it's the best toner for this summer. My favorite face wash recommendation for this summer is Simple Barrier Care Replenishing Cream Cleanser with 11% ceramide boosters and hyaluronic acid. I thought it would be a creamy cleanser like CeraVe and Cetaphil, but it actually foams up, leaving my skin very hydrated but also clean it. Favorite eye cream for treating fine lines and wrinkles around eye area because it has 10% ginseng root extract and 2% retinol. This is Beauty of Joseon Revive Eye Serum. Retinol acts faster than retinol. It's also less irritating. I'm very choosy about my eye creams because I want them to glide smoothly over my under eyes and hydrate them without making them sticky, and of course get rid of the darkness around my eyes. This is my current favorite eye cream. My current favorite beauty product is this Juicy Lasting Lip Tint by Romand in shade Fake 06. It's a beautiful muted berry shade with mauvey undertones. I'm gonna give you my secret for juicy lips look. So first I apply my lipstick. This is Pillow Talk Medium by CT. Any nude lipstick would do, and then apply little bit of tint in just like middle of your lips and tap it with your finger. It gives a full juicy look. My favorite lip care product right now is by Tipsy Beauty, their Shade Shifter Lip and Cheek Oil. I have the shade Phenomenal 01. It's a pH based lip oil, so it gives a natural tint to your lips. But my favorite thing about this lip oil, how it keeps my lips so hydrated for long hours. Usually lip oils just sit on the top of your lip. They do not go deep, but this one does, and that's why it's my favorite. My next two skincare products are must have for the summertime: sunscreens. This one is Beauty of Joseon Mugwort and Camellia Sunstick. It's a matte sunscreen, so it keeps your skin oil free for long hours, and you can also reapply it on your makeup. Most of the sunsticks used to make my skin so oily, but this one does the opposite. That's why it's my favorite. My next sunscreen is also by Beauty of Joseon Relieved Sun Rice Plus Probiotics SPF 50. I also took it with me to Udaipur, both of these two sunscreens. This has been my favorite companion for this summertime. It protects my skin so well from the sun damage and tanning. It's also very hydrating on the skin, so if you want to skip your moisturizer and just use the sunscreen, you can do it with this one. These are the two sunscreens that I'm currently using, but I'm gonna leave my sunscreen recommendation video in the description box. You can check that video for more sunscreen recommendations, more options. Next, I have two moisturizer recommendations for this summer. First is a gel based moisturizer which is fragrance free, colorants free. This is Plum Rice Water and Niacinamide moisturizer, which is perfect for this summertime. It's also super affordable and you get this huge tub. But if you want a little bit more nourishing moisturizer with ceramides in it, but also lightweight at the same time in the texture, because it's summer, it's hot, and we don't like anything sticky on the skin, it's the CeraVe moisturizing lotion with 3 essential ceramides. Highly recommend this one. Instead of going for the moisturizing cream, go for the moisturizing lotion. The consistency is love. It's so lightweight, like it just melted into my skin. A new face mask that I've been really enjoying to do my self-care Sundays with is Red Bean Refreshing Pore Mask by BOJ. I'm so sorry for the noises. It's like construction, babies crying, and traffic noises all at the same time, of course, and somebody is on the gate. I love the spongy texture of this mask. It has 30% Hennam red bean extract, which absorbs the excess sebum and unclog the pores by removing the dead skin cells. That's why I love it. Now I'm going to be sharing some of my favorite serums for the summertime. This is BOJ Calming Serum with 50% green tea, 5% panthenol and 30% mugwort extract. It provides extreme relief to the skin after sun damage and UV exposure. So if you're somebody who works in the field and your skin gets exposed to sun, your skin would love this. Next are two of my favorite serums from Ordinary. This is the Soothing and Barrier Support Serum, which I've been using a lot lately in the night time because my skin feels little itchy these days because I used a lot of actives. I was having a lot of acne breakouts, so I used BHAs, glycolic acid, salicylic acid, and I think I went a little overboard with it. So this serum strengthens your skin barrier, and if you have hurt your skin barrier, it will heal it for sure. This is the 10% niacinamide plus zinc serum. If you get a lot of acne breakouts, this is godsend for you. Niacinamide serum is a must have for summertime because it absorbs the excess oil and sebum from your skin, so keeping it oil free for whole day. Also, I finished this serum. You can see how much I love it and highly recommend it. I used to use it on my forehead because I was getting a lot of breakouts here in between my eyebrows, so I used this. And other cream that I used is the Centella Blemish Cream by CosRx. So I got the Ultimate Spot Cream because I was getting a lot of breakouts between my brows, but I was so wrong. It did not work. So I repurchased my Centella Blemish Cream and it worked like magic since day one. My breakouts were gone. It also faded the marks it left. So highly recommend this cream if you get random acne breakouts, hormonal acne, or have acne marks. It fades them all. You can apply it on the active acne. It has a cooling effect on the problematic area, and I highly recommend this cream. It's a godsend. My must-have serum for summertime is vitamin C serum, and I actually forgot to bring it in this room with me because I keep it in the fridge. So I actually brought the vitamin C serums from my fridge. I have 4 of these. Don't ask me why. So vitamin C is a must-have for summertime because it protects your skin from sun damage and gives a beautiful glowing effect on the skin. And if you're looking for affordable vitamin C serum, you can go for the Plum. This one is also good. And if you're looking for retinol night creams, you guys, Riquil launched more retinol night creams. Now they have 0.5% retinol as well as their 0.3% retinol. So if you want to increase the percentage of your retinol, you can go for these. Texture is same. I'm currently using 0.3 retinol. I also have a YouTube short on it, so you can watch that. So I'm gonna give you my secret skincare hack that I do. Before applying my vitamin C serum, I always apply snail mucin essence. This way your vitamin C doesn't oxidize quick, and trust me when I say your skin will glow like a disco ball. If you guys want my hair care recommendation, I will leave that video in the description box. But other than that, I have a new favorite. This is by L'Oreal Professional. It has 6% clay, so it's a 2-in-1 shampoo and mask. So it looks like clay in the tub. Let me show you. It's a very unique product, but when you apply it on your scalp, it turns into shampoo and it cleans your scalp and your hair so deeply. And I actually washed my hair with this. My hair feels so voluminous, so clean thanks to this, and it does not dry out my hair or make them frizzy. So I have been loving this 2-in-1 shampoo mask. I love liquid blushes, and 2 blushes that I've been obsessed with right now is by Tipsy Beauty Strawberry Champagne. It's a beautiful dewy pink blush and it's exact dupe for Charlotte Tilbury Pink Gasm. I wore it during my Udaipur trip and the pictures came out so beautifully. And the second one is Love Child by Masaba Bent Baja blush in shade Peach Puchka. It's a beautiful summery shade. I'm wearing it on my cheeks today. It makes your cheeks look so juicy. If you guys are wondering the nail paint shade I'm wearing, this is the OPI Nature Strong in shade M Flowered. It's a beautiful Barbie pink shade, and yeah, I switch between these moisturizers a lot because I have a lot of moisturizers, so I want to finish them all. But I reach out for these the most, that's why I'm mentioning, especially in the summertime. I love the Clinique Moisture Surge as well, and the Snail 92 all-in-one cream for the night time for that plump effect on the skin. So if you're looking for a night cream to invest in, highly recommend. And lastly, for my makeup removers, for oil-based cleansers, I recommend two. So this one is the Klairs Gentle Black Fresh Cleansing Oil. I've almost finished it, so I'm gonna order a full-size bottle of it. And I've used a lot of cleansing oils, but this is like the best cleansing oil I've ever used, you guys. I'm only mentioning the skincare products that I personally use, I believe in, and have made a huge difference on my skin. So some of the products might be on the little bit of expensive side, but trust me, they last you long time, like for months, and they make your skin good in long term. That's why I'm mentioning these products, and this is why I always mention the ingredient list as well. So the last skincare product is by Ordinary, and it's this Squalane cleanser. So if you don't want to invest in this cleansing oil, you can go for this one. Both of these are equally good. And yeah, kitties, that's all for today's video, and let me know what would you like to watch on my channel. I want to try something creative. I know you guys love my motivational video, but sometimes it doesn't perform well on my channel, so I've been thinking of starting a new channel, like separate channel for that. So I'm a little confused. Do you want the self-improvement content on this channel, or should I make the separate one? Let me know, and I will see you in my next video. Bye kitties, take care and happy shopping.